Hello, dear children, good morning. Today I am going to teach you the short answers and long answers of our chapter 5 Continents and Oceans. So, children, all of you open your worksheets. In your previous class, you have learned hard words and meanings, fill in the blanks, match the following. And in today's class, you are going to learn short answers. See the first one. List all the continents of the world from smallest to largest. List all the continents of the world from smallest to largest. First one is, if we see from smallest, first smallest continent is, if we see from smallest continent, Australia, Europe, Antarctica, South America, North America, Africa and Asia. So these are the continents from smallest to largest. Okay. See the second one. Water oceans. Water oceans. An ocean is one large continuous body of water surrounding the continents. An ocean is one large continuous body of water surrounding the continents. Third one, name the deserts found in Asia, Africa and South America. Name the deserts found in Asia, Africa and South America. And the answer is, in Asia, Gobi Desert, which is cold, and the Arabian Desert, which is a hot desert. Whereas in Africa, Sahara Desert, and in South America, the Atacama Desert is the driest place on our planet. So, these are the deserts found in Asia, Africa and South America. Fourth one. Name the longest and the largest rivers in the world. Name the longest and the largest rivers in the world. The Amazon River is the world's largest river. So, the largest river is the Amazon River and the longest river is the Nile River. The Nile River is the world's longest river. So these are the short question and answers. Now see long question and answers. Okay, see the first one. Write a note on the largest continent of Earth. Write a note on the largest continent of Earth. Asian continent is the largest continent and cover nearly 1/3 of the land area of Earth. Asia continent is the largest continent and this continent covers nearly 1/3 of the land area of Earth. It is surrounded by oceans on 3 sides. It has a variety of land forms. Mount Everest, which is the world's highest peak. It has world's largest and highest mountain range, Himalayas. Japan, China and India are some prominent countries in this continent. Second question. Which is the white continent and why is it called so? Again, I am repeating. Which is the white continent and why is it called so? And the answer is, Antarctica is known as the white continent on the frozen continent. So Antarctica is known as the white continent. It is covered by thick layer of permanent ice. This makes it the coldest continent in the world. Condition make very difficult for human survival. Only scientists stay here to perform research to work. So, Antarctica is the white continent and it has thick layer of permanent ice, coldest continent in the world because of it, and conditions for human survival is not suitable here except scientists live here to perform research work. This is all about the white continent and why is it called so. Now See the project work, children. Prepare a table of continents, main countries of the continents, oceans surrounded through that continent. Okay. See, continents like Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. And the main countries of these continents are Asia. Asian countries are India, China, Japan. African countries are South Africa and Egypt. North American countries are USA, Canada and Mexico. Southern America are Brazil and Argentina. Antarctica countries or this is a coldest country, and Europe countries are like UK, Germany, France and Italy. And Australia continents countries or Australia and New Zealand. And the oceans flow through these continents are in Asia, Arctic Ocean to the North Pacific Ocean to the east, Indian Ocean to the south. And in Africa, the Mediterranean Sea its north side, India Ocean to its east, the Atlantic Ocean to the west. And in North America, Arctic and Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean sea rounded north, east and west respectively. And in South America, Amazon world's largest river flow here. And in Antarctica, surrounded by Indian, Atlantic and the Pacific Oceans. And in Europe, Arctic Ocean on the north and Atlantic Ocean on the west. So these are the oceans flow through these continents. So you have to prepare this same project work in your homework book. Okay, children, you prepare all these. Okay, bye children. Thank you.